Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I am coming at you with this week's new releases. These will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern, and we will also still have bougie boxes on sale for 30% off through this release. So let's go ahead and get into it. I do have one foil sheet, 10 doodles, one foil bundle, and 4 collections for you guys this week. So let's go ahead and start at the top. I just had this random quote box that was delivered, so I decided to release it. And these are birthday quotes in the 4 main foils. So they will come in gold, silver, rose, and hollow. Let me go ahead and show you guys in silver since it's the easiest to see. So the first one here is "May your wishes come true, happy birthday, birthday babe, and a very happy birthday to you." And again, those will come in all 4 foils. There are the 10 doodles this week, and these kind of are all themed. So this one is a pastel colored like post office box with mail in it. And then this one is like the grayscale version, so like more neutral, and then the packages are more of like a tan color. Then there are pastel printers as well as a like grayscale colorway, so kind of like printers are more normally this color. Then there's also some pastel silhouette. And then we have the gray ones, so more the standard color. And then the pastel Dymo label printers, and then the regular black ones, as well as the Scribble Prints Co. Happy Mail in the pastel. And then the like front of the packages with the little slip on there. So I thought those were really cute, all kind of sticker related, shop owner, or, you know, sticker planning. So those are the 10 doodles for this week. The foil bundle is the leftover foil from, I believe this was May mystery? I'm not sure. So this is the sparkly orange. I think it is possibly orange soda, but I'm not 100% sure, but it's the sparkly orange star format. So you get 2 pages here of the 6 full boxes and the headers on the side in the star format, as well as the 2 bougie box pages, the scripts and the icons, as well as the fancy headers, deco, date numbers, and then the 15mm strip overlays. I have been loving foil bundles. I know I totally missed my 5th video next week. I'm hoping this week to end the month out strong with my 5 videos a week. With only missing one, I feel like that's okay. I missed one last week, but I've been loving using foil bundles. I like went through all of my kits for I think like 2 months and picked like foil bundles to pair with it. I don't know, I just love it. I'm just like, right now I'm in a foil bundle kick, so excited to use that one soon. So let's go ahead and go into the kits for this week. Like I said, I do have 4 for this week. Halloween, I kind of have a lot to release with reformats that you guys have requested. I do polls on Facebook for that. And then also new art that is custom, and then new art that comes out from artists. So I have a lot to release. So we might be releasing more than 3 kits a week. Some kits might be 3. Last week was 5. This week's 4. So it's going to be kind of all over the place. Just to make sure we get them all in. So let's go ahead and go through the first one, which is new exclusive art, which I'm really excited about. This has been really requested for years now, and it's time. So I went ahead and did a Halloweentown custom art. So let's go ahead and go through this. I think this is super cute because I think this is a really cute fall to Halloween transition, because obviously it has the Halloween vibes with it being Halloweentown, witchy, pumpkins, and things like that. But I feel like the colors and the scenes, the leaves in the background, it all just has that fall vibe situation. So here are the full boxes. This is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. Your extra box is over here, and then I love these colors, like just so fall, but like you got the Halloween vibes with the orange and the purple. I just think it's so pretty. I feel like also foil options are there's just so many. I think this would even look really cute with the orange foil bundle, especially with the stars. If you want to do a celestial foil, that'd be really cute as well. We might have other foil bundles coming out that would look really cute with this, just saying. And then you have the bottom washi, and then both the mini and the ultimate come with the like secondary scene. So super, super cute. And that is Halloweentown. All of the kits this week do come in mini and ultimate, and do have a la carte options as well. So let's go ahead and show you guys What is going on? Go the mini kit to show you guys the format, and then the rest of them all have mini kit options, of course. So let's go through the mini kit real quick. So you have the same full boxes page, the same deco page, same glitter header page. This is the mini kit page here with the patterns and the solid bottom washi, and then the same freebie as the ultimate. Of course, for all of the kits, it'll have the same freebie. So let's go ahead and show you guys the add-on options for this. So you do have a 15mm strip and then also a label sampler. So that is the first kit for the week. The next kit is a reformat. It was one of the ones in the poll that was the highest. I think I did either I did 4 or 5 free formats. I'm not sure. But there was a lot that were very requested. So this one is Hocus Pocus. This was our most popular Halloween kit last year. Let's go ahead and go through this. I did reformat the boxes a little bit. I try and do that with most reformats. I think the only one I didn't do that with recently was Haunted Mansion or Haunted Magic, because that's the third time I'm going to be reformatting it. And I feel like I'm pretty happy with the boxes as is. But this one I wanted to go ahead and give it a little bit of a makeover. So you have your full boxes here, and then your extra full boxes, and then I changed up the colors as well. So you have the like blue, gray, and then the purple, which I think is really, really pretty. It's a little bit more muted, but also with the patterns, I think it brings in the like orange and the red color. I think it gives it a different vibe from last year. I tried to do that with changing up the full boxes. Here's the freebie, and sometimes the colors, so that let's say this is like one of your favorite kits, but you're not a huge fan of using a kit in your planner twice. I totally get that. Sometimes it can give it a second life by having the boxes a little bit different, changing up a color, and then also maybe even using a different foil than you did paired with it. So it also does come in a mini kit, and then the add-on options, you do have the 15mm strip as well as the label sampler, and then this one also has a label sampler version too. So if you do want to bring in the red and the orange, you can pick up 1, 2, 3 of these, whatever you need, and you have 2 fancy labels, 3 little things, a third box and a half box, and you can kind of bring in those other colors as well throughout, or you can just keep it with these ones, which I think is really pretty. Again, like a nice fall vibe, so love that. Let's go into the next kit, which is called Little Witch, which is just such a cute kit. Definitely going to be using it this year. Again, another one that I think the foil options are just like, there's just so many. This one's going to be a hard one for me to pick what foil to use with it. So if you're planning on purchasing it, let me know what foil you're going to pair it with in the comments down below. I think it'd be really pretty with like a celestial lavender hollow. That's me. Or a sparkly hollow, but also like black would be really cool. Like a sparkly black would be nice. Lots of options. So here are the full boxes. They're just so cute. Like you just want to squeeze it all. And I love the colors. So pretty in pastel. I did a faux black glitter throughout, which I think brings in all of the black accents. The 2 boxes here, super cute. I love the patterns, especially the eye pattern. I thought that one was just kind of like different and cute. So that is the extra full box page, and then you have the deco, the glitter headers, which have like black speckles through them, and then the half box page. I just think this looks so pretty. And these colors, I am living for them with the really light pastels. And then you do have the freebie and then the extra full box on the washi page. I love this bottom washi. I think there was maybe 2 of these colors, maybe 3, maybe, I don't remember if it was 2 or 3, but I thought doing them in like an ombre would be really pretty, because then if you were left it like that, I think it'd be really nice. But then also the 15mm strip is black. I think that's really cool. Either way, if you're going to do the 15mm strip or if you're going to leave it on its own, I really like the ombre. Brings in all the colors with the black constellations on top. It's just a vibe, and I'm here for it. So that is the ultimate kit. Like I said, it also does come in a mini kit, but let me show you guys the add-on options because I think they're really, really, really cute. But I'm for sure using this year. It's going to happen. So you have the 15mm strip, like I showed you, the label sampler, if you want to add that on. And then also there is 3 different fam options here. Oh, they're so cute. So there's going to be 3 because they don't have like different hair colors. So you have like the 2 kid boxes and then the fashion box, which I mean, so adorable. So here is all of the options if you want to add these on. I just think they're precious. Adorable. So that is Little Witch. Also comes in a mini kit. And then last but not least, we also have Fall Cabin. So let's go ahead and go through this. I love these colors. The artist, Elaine, she did 2 different colorways. And then I feel like even within those colorways, you had a lot of freedom and choice as to what colors you kind of lean towards. And I really liked these pinky nude colors and the blue. And even this colorway, you could kind of pull a little bit more of the orange in. And I think there was like maybe like a reddish color. I'm not totally sure, but I know the orange was also pretty prominent in here. But I kind of leaned a lot more towards the pink nude color. And I just think it's still very fall. And especially with the like orange kind of mixed in lightly, I think it's a really nice vibe and just is very like soft. This would be a nice like even transition, I feel like, because of the pinks. But I love this, like what is this called? Is it like an A-frame house? Is that right? I'm not 100% sure, but I just think it's such a pretty kit. I love all of the treats. I love the fashion options. Oh, and then the freebie in the mini and the ultimate kit is the fashion options and skin tone hair color differences. So super cute. And then I love this here because just like I just imagine like packing up for like a little hike and you have your little stack of cookies. And I just think it's a really pretty kit, and it's just the colors are nice and soft. I like the patterns. I just think it's really pretty, you know what I'm saying? And sometimes fall reads very like rustic, reds, browns, but this was just a really nice pretty fall kit. The extra box on the washi page is just a really cute little like bedroom scene, and the mini and the ultimate have the same freebie. Let's go through the add-on options. So this one does have a 15mm strip as well as the label sampler. And then I did a fam option with the fashions because I thought they were so cute. So there's 6 for this one. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I just thought they were super cute. I love the like slouchy sweater peeking out of the like skirt, and then the like asymmetrical haircut, and just super cute. So that's everything for this week. Super excited about it all. Let me know in the comments what you're planning on buying, or what you're most excited for Halloween spreads, because I'm like in the spirit. I am ready to rock and roll with Halloween and then get into Christmas, which is my favorite time of the year. So I hope you guys like this week's releases, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.